going to be taking a look at the Petit Pack. This is a puzzle from Pelikan Puzzles designed by Osanoni Yamamoto. It is described as 11 move difficulty, as Pelikan does describe their difficulty in moves, and this is broken down into 7, 2, and 2, which I'm assuming is once you have it together. That's how many moves it takes to remove a piece. But this puzzle is actually primarily a packing puzzle, where you're trying to fit these 3 pieces into this box so that all the components are flush inside and nothing's protruding. It also has a lot of burr mechanisms to it, almost a crossover puzzle. It is deceptively difficult, being only 3 pieces and the box to pack it in. It is actually extremely difficult. This puzzle brings a nice finish that Pelikan always brings to the table, that almost slightly waxy wood finish, and the pieces slide very nicely on each other. It comes in 3 different colors, this being the Bleeding Heart, I believe, but it has 2 others.